graduate of the Good Samaritan Colleges. Wala daw. Wala. Yung sa kabila, wala din. Wala din. Ano ba yun?
Lagot.
Huwag ka kayo maingay. Huwag kayo maingay.
Ayan na.
Lagot kayo. Tayo po tayo sa Cap TV.
Strapped in red.
Hindi ba naiingit yung bata? Hindi ba naiingit yung bata?
Kaya yan, partner. Kaya mo ng bata yan. Once again, candidate number 7. Thank you so much. Next up, lagot na naman kayo. Laban yung white outfit ng ating candidate. Kumikinang. Ipag-kumikinang kumikintas dahil puti.
Matilaw.
Basta Canton, Virginia.
Ayan. Currently, Miss Emma Tiglao stands 5 feet and 10 inches tall. An advocate of education. Currently number 9. Body is the physics hour. 36, 25,
Oh,
38.
inupuan kayo. From white to gold. Thank you so much, candidate number 9. Balot na balot. Pero kitang-kita ang lutang na lutang ang kagandahan. Paano ba? Pag binabana niya ang kanyang talukbog.
Oh my God. Currently number 9 is Miss Hazel Gomez. Hazel Gomez stands 5 feet and 8 inches tall. A Bollywood player.
makeup trend. Talaga.
Gagaling ito sa likod.
natin ang ating Sangguniang Barangay. At nandyan din, not just the SB members or SB councilors, kundi pati yung ating SB secretary. Ayan, si Consec. Ayan, si Consec. Ayan. And of course, Tita Angie, ang ating pinakamagandang treasurera ng ating barangay.
Thank you so much po. Siyempre sa ating mga sangguniang
Yes, Sangguniang Kabataan.
Na nandito, maraming salamat.
Yes, most especially to our FA chairperson, Mr. Mark Lester D. Palakpakan naman po natin.
At ayan, people of Barangay Campillo, bukas po.
Yes.
Ayan, bukas.
Hello po!
Yes. Parang ang dami ng
Barangay Picture ni
smokes.
Camino.
Smokes!
Candidate number 1 is Miss Charles Manalo. Miss Chelsea Manalo is wearing an orange gown designed by Mr. Sherwin Santa Maria.
I love the details of the gown, especially yung parang wave created with silver and orange shining things na nakalagay sa kanyang gown. Wavy, so sweet.
Candidate number 1 is Miss Chelsea Manalo.
Bulacan pa
She
siya.
should say that time is gold.
Kaya na kanyang
Candidate number 2 is Miss Kendall Jenner.
the highest state model, sabi niya mga kanya. Quality red ang kanyang suot.
Kendall Jenner is a third-year college student of Good Samaritan College.
Very fierce and classy red.
The candidate number 2 choose to wear a red gown because she believes that the red is power.
Yes, and she is powerful.
Everywhere I'm looking now, I'm surrounded by your embrace. Know my saving grace. Everything I need and more. Baby, I can feel you waiting. Do you lean on? Lean on. Do you lean on? Lean on. Lean on. Lean on.
Miss Trixie Curtis Atanco is wearing a see-through gown with a lot of crystal bits.
Yes, and sparkles all over the textile.
Everywhere looking now, I'm surrounded by your embrace. Pero
Blue might be a cold color, but just like the ocean, blue can be powerful too. Couture by the couture in the gown she's wearing is from the closet of Sir Francis Manapat. which is a fusion of monochromatism and shininess. They say that pink is weak, but sometimes pink can also be tough. As tough as her personality, tough love, and of course, pink signifies beauty. Candidate number 7.
Go, go, go. Good recover.
As shiny as her dress, and so is her beauty. Ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 8.
Candidates, straight line na lang po tayo sa may likod. Yan, straight line na lang po tayo. 1 to 8. Ay, 1 to 10.
So straight line lang daw sila. Give it up for their handlers, their hair and makeup artists, and their couture kung sino man ang nagbigay ng napakagandang damit, di ba, partner?
Yes, lahat sila nagkikilangan.
Yes.
Yan, interview po na
Yes,
natin.
ayan ang gusto ko, partner.
And then this is the most exciting part of the competition. Okay, ito na si Miss Candidate number 2. Candidate number 2, how are you?
I feel great and to be honest, nervous, but I'm here to, as I said a while ago, I'm here to be part of the history of Cantinho Command. And I'm very grateful that I am here tonight. Especially, I would like to take this opportunity to thank my friends, my family, my handler, And to all the people watching here tonight, thank you so much for coming, guys.
Ayan.
Pasok ka na, candidate number 10!
Tunggu yung ilong ko.
Mga Q&A na, no?
Okay, dito naman tayo.
Oh, dito
Nasa
naman
gitna
tayo.
din naman to. Ang dami niyang katauhan ngayong gabi.
Oo.
Si Mami Oni, si Lady Gaga. At sabi nila, Alexi Brooks. Ayan, kumusta ka
Oo.
naman? Candidate number 6.
Candidate number 6 ang tanong sa'yo, pinayagan ka ba talaga ng OB mo?
Hindi na.
Ayan. Bukas
Dahil namolit na mahulog yung anak ko.
bukas magpa-check up ka dahil pag nagpa-check up may 500 pesos. Tama mo ba, Kapitana?
Kapitana, may 500 ako bukas na.
Pag nagpa-check up, kailan po yung Kapitana?
8 years na tong chat ko, kapitana.
Okay, ituloy natin yung details mamaya, pero no, kapag nagpa-check up ka, may 500 pesos ka.
Ay, go, laban yan.
Pa-check up mo yan, ha?
Oh!
Okay,
Ayan,
next
thank you so
time.
much, Mami Oni. Ay, may pa-change outfit na naman siya. Grabe, ayan. So, sino ang gumawa ng gown mo?
This is from James Pico. James Pico Young.
Yan, kay Sir James Free. Thank you so much. Candidate number 5, candidate number 4 naman tayo.
Oo.
Kamusta ka naman po? Nag-enjoy ka ba dun sa talent mo?
Medyo okay naman po.
Okay naman. Pero okay ka ngayon.
Yes,
You're so pretty. Okay, next natin, si candidate number 1.
Ayan.
Palakpakan
Palakpakan naman natin si candidate number 1. Ang Marimar ng Campino.
Oo, si Chelsea Manalo to eh. Asan si Paul Goss? Ba't di mo dinala?
Oo nga.
Ginagalis kasi.
Ginagabot? Ginagabot pa?
Kawawa naman si Paul. Ang kaya pala, hindi pala full dose yung aso niya, bulgaso.
Oo. Kaya baka ba mga hawa, kaya hindi
Kaya
mo
nga,
dinala.
diba?
Alright.
His close-up smile.
May trouble, gusto ko yan.
Okay, Miss Gossip Smile, bless you. Candidate number
Sen!
number 10.
Woo! Ganda nga nung ngiti niya, no?
Next award po.
Deserving for a special award.
Hazel
His close-up smile. Maganda nga yung smile.
Marcelo, Pakul.
Ay, kaya
Sir, thank you po. I receive the award Miss Catwalk.
Our Miss Catwalk
2024 is
is none other than
candidate number 4. Okay, thank you so much. Next special award is sponsored by the LGBTQI Circle of Friends 2024. Okay, our Miss LGBTQI Circle of Friends 2024
is none other than sino tong bago nyo? Candidate number 6.
Oh! Yung kinakausap yung self niya.
Ayan.
Yung kinakausap sa self. Okay.
Once again, congratulations, candidate number 6.
Okay, our next is Miss Production Number.
It's our best in production number is will be awarded by our chairperson, Mr. Mark Mr. E.
Sir Ariel, wala ka dito.
Who received
Okay.
special awards.
Our best production number is candidate number 1. Please, please now please. PSK.
So,
Ayaw na SK na.
panalo na daw siya, baka manalo pa siya lalo, di ba?
Okay, darling of the crowd.
Our to be awarded by our barangay secretary, Consec, ang ating very own Consec, with right here to the stage to award the Miss
Darling of the
Darling
crowd.
of the crowd.
Okay, the Miss Darling of the crowd goes to candidate number. Candidate number.
Candidate number 1! Nakaka 2 points na siya. Professional to be awarded by our Konsehala, Ate Lucido. Ayan. We invited you on the stage to award the special award, the Miss Professional. Ayan.
All right, our Miss Professional 2024 goes to candidate number 1. Ang award.
Tatlo na yan.
Thank you so much, Paul. Hey, sinabi ko yung now. Okay, our best friendship is none other than Lino.
Candidate number 10! Kamusta? Here's your question. If you're given a chance to live your life again, what part of your life will you change and why? Again, if you're given a chance to live your life again, what part of your life will you change and why? Tagalugawan. Kung bibigyan ka ng pagkakataon na mabuhay ulit, anong parte ng buhay mo ang nais mong baguhin at bakit?
Mga kaibigan, ako daw po ay buhay din. Ano daw po bang parte ng buhay ko ang aking dapat balikan? Mga kaibigan, ang aking pong dapat balikan ay ang aking pagkakamali na nagawa ko sa aking pamilya. Ito po ay ang hindi pagsunod sa kanilang kautusan na kailangan dapat gampanan ko ang pagiging isang lalaki dahil mas pili ko ang maging isang tunay na babae. Mga kaibigan, para po sa akin, ito po, I have two things that I have in myself. My first is self-reliance and my second is self-determination. My self-reliance is characterized by making my own beauty and making my own talents. My self-determination is characterized by having a true faith in God. By having a true faith in God can make a globally dynamic, proud, homosexual. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 1. Una natin siya. Do you feel any pressure right now?
Actually, we can say that he is the most crucial part of this beauty pageant in this question and answer. But I'm hoping that I will answer the question very well. But I can say that I'm so a little bit nervous right now. But dito na ako. Sabi ko lang na.
Yes.
Okay,
Ayan.
shipping candidate, judge number 2.
Si Sir po. Yung
Judge number two.
second judge po natin.
Si Sir Mr. Guan.
Yes po. So you have the chance to ask your question po to candidate number 2.
Here's my question. If you could give one piece of advice to your younger self, what would it be and why? I repeat the question. If you could give one piece of advice to your younger self, what would it be and why?
Okay, so the question is, if I were given a chance to give an advice to my younger self, probably I would say to her that always believe in yourself. Because if you have belief to ourselves, we can do whatever we want. We can achieve whatever we want to our life. We can make the impossible seem so possible. Because I firmly believe that anything is possible when you believe. Dami po ako magandang gabi, Campino.
Ayan, maraming salamat sa isang napakamalamang sagot.
Proud na proud yung mga klase, oh. Okay. Next na natin. Are you okay? Kamusta ka na, Lily number 3?
Okay lang po.
Oh. Okay. Where are you from?
Yes, what country are you from po?
Ano po yung country?
Okay, in your judge. Judge number 1.
Judge number 1, si Sir po. Ayan, so you have the chance to ask your question po.
Hello po.
Good evening, candidate number 2.
Good po.
Then, here's my question. As a representative of the LGBTQIA+ community, how would you bridge the gap between different identities and foster unity? Do you want me to repeat the question? As a representative of LGBTQIA+ community, how would you bridge the gap between different identities and foster unity?
Okay, thank you so much for that wonderful question. You know what? Bilang isang miyembro ng LGBTIQ+ community, ang tanging kailangan lang naman natin is respetuhin mo natin yung sarili natin bago tayo respetuhin ng iba. At doon sa paraan na yon, wala na dapat paligoy-ligoy pag-uusapan pa dahil ang pinakamalaking pinag-uusapan dito, lagi pinagsasabi ng mga kabaklaan na respeto, respeto, respeto. Respetuhin mo muna yung sarili mo bago ka respetuhan ng iba. Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much. Yes, respect begets respect. Thank you so much for that wonderful answer.
Suportado nung
Ayan,
Okay,
so
next
ito na,
natin.
si candidate number 4.
Choose your judge.
Ayan. Napaka-pretty ng
Okay,
gabi
judge
ko.
number 5.
Ayan, Judge number 5.
Hello, kamusta?
Medyo kinakabahan.
Ito yung tanong ko sa'yo. Simpleng tanong lang ito. Kung bibigyan ka ng pagkakataon, magpapalit ka ba ng iyong kasarian at bakit? Kung bibigyan ka ng pagkakataon, magpapalit ka ba ng iyong kasarian at bakit?
Okay, maraming salamat po sa napakagandang katanungan. Kung pagbibigyan daw po ako bibigyan man daw po ako ng pagkakataon na magpalitan daw po ang aking kasarian. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, para po sa akin, hindi ko na po papalitan. Dahil bilang isang LGBT, ito po yung gusto ko, tinahan ko pong kasarian, ang pagiging isang pusong babae. Ayun, papanindigan ko po ito sa lahat, sa mga taong nanonood ng gabi. I use my voice to
advocate.
Nagamitin ko po ito, maging role model sa lahat ng LGBT community para po na wala po silang pagsisiyan sa kanilang tinahak na nakasarian. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Thank you so much.
Kahit gabi na. Ayan, so pick a judge. So,
Your judge number
Judge
3.
number
Judge number 3.
Good evening, contestant number 5. My question for you is, this month is also the Pride Month. As a member of LGBTQ+, are you in favor for SOGI Bill or Sexual Orientation, Gender Identity Equality Bill?
Thank you. Before I answer the question, let us collocate and proudly express. When we say soldier bill, this is the sexual orientation, gender identity expression. Everyone has that. So if I were to ask, definitely I am agreeing. Why do I say so? Even straight men and straight women has gender identity. Tama po ba? Tama po. Kaya naman,
if ibibigay niyo po sa amin ang karapatan bilang isang tao na mabuhay sa mundo ito, hindi po kami nagbibili ng kanta ng mga espesyal na pagtrato. Bagkus lang, ang gusto lang namin ay kung ano ang nararapat para sa amin. Yun lang po, maraming salamat.
Absolutely, with conviction. Thank you so much, candidate
We
number
are not asking for more.
Yes.
We are asking for what is
what is just what we deserve. Yes.
Yes.
Oni.
Mami Oni, to be your judge, Mami Oni.
Ayan, judge number 7.
Judge number 7.
Ano sa tingin mo ang magandang halimbawa na ibibigay ng mga LGBT community sa ating dito at bakit?
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, ano daw po ba ang mga magagandang halimbawa na may bibigay ng kapwa ko LGBT community dito sa aming mundo? Yun ho ay ang pagmamahal, pagrespeto at paggalang sa mga tao. Bakit mga kaibigan? Dahil kapag ikaw ay nagmahal, mamahalin ka ng tao. Kapag nirespeto mo ang tao at sarili mo, nirespetuhin ka ng tao. Kapag ginalang mo ang sarili mo, gagalangin ka ng maraming tao. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much, candidate number
Okay,
6.
next up is candidate number 7. Judge number 6.
Judge number 7.
Ano candidate number 7? Ito, tanong ko sa'yo. Anong sa tingin mo ang meron ka na wala ang ibang kandidata?
For me, I have two things that I have in myself. First, in my self-reliance, and second, in my self-determination. My first self-reliance is characterized by having my own beauty, personality, and the power of judgment. Second, in my self-determination. Determination that characterized by truth within God, because truth within God, you can make globally dynamic and a proud person. Thank you so much.
Ayan, maraming salamat, candidate number 7. Next up, we have candidate number 8. So, ayan, hold your mic and go pick your judge. Judge number
Number 2.
Judge number 2.
Good evening, candidate number 8. Here's my question. What is one of your proudest accomplishments as part of LGBTQIA+ community, and how did you overcome challenges to achieve it? Bilang parte ng LGBTQIA+ community, ano ang pinaka nakaka-proud na accomplishment or ano nalagpasan?
Ano the, I sir, yung question ko natin is what yung proudest moment mo as LGBTQ?
Yeah, as part of at paano mo ito natupad?
Ano daw yung pinaka-proudest moment mo bilang parte ng LGBTQ community at paano mo to nalagpasan?
Maraming salamat po sa magandang katanungan. Para po sa akin, ang pinaka-proudest ko na nagawa ko sa aking sarili and yung pagsali po sa patimpalak na ito. Bakit po? Ako po ay nung bata po ay nangangarap lamang po na sumali sa ganitong patimpalak. Ngayon kung malaki na ako ay nakasali na po ako, yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Thank you so much. So yes, just by joining this pageant, especially
It's a dream.
yes, it's a dream come true. And marami tayong hindi natin alam ang pinagdadaanan about it. Kaya
Yes.
baka madami siyang hindrances na nalang nakakapaligid tabihan. Ayan.
Judge number 6.
Judge
Number 6.
Number 6 po.
Hello, candidate number 9.
9.
Kayo po. Kung papipiliin ka ang maging mahirap ngunit walang kapansanan, o o ang maging mayaman ngunit may kapansanan? At bakit?
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, kung papipiliin daw po ba ako, ano daw po ang pipiliin ko? Hirap ngunit walang kapansanan, o may kapansanan ngunit mayaman. Ang pipiliin ko po ay ang mahirap, ngunit walang kapansanan. So pagkat naniniwala po ako na sa aking kakayanan, sa aking sarili, ako po ay kaya ko pong umangat sapagkat ako po ay isang masipag na tao. Masipag na kung saan, kahit ano po ay kaya ko pong gawin. Ako po ay isang independent na tao. Lumaki po ako na nag-iisa, wala po akong magulang. Bata pa lang po ako, namatay na po ang aking magulang. So itinayo ko po ang aking sarili upang magtrabaho na kahit saan-saan. That will be all. Thank you so much.
Ayan, thank you so much. Candidate number 9, a very self-reliant and independent person.
Parang galit siya, no?
With conviction lang guys. Ayan, eto na.
Ito na ang Diyosa.
Yes, ang Zosa ng gabing ito. Oo.
Okay.
So your judge, ay pumiyok pa. Your judge is
Judge number 5.
Ay.
Hello, kamusta ka?
Hello po, kamusta po kayo?
Napakadali lang question ko sa'yo. Kung magiging isang bagay ka, ano nito at bakit?
Maraming salamat po sa inyong katanungan. Kung ako daw po ay magiging bagay, ano daw po ako at bakit? Ito po ay Orasan Oreo. Why? I believe, ladies and gentlemen, that time is gold. Our life here in this world is an uncertainty. And I would suggest everyone that to live our life to the fullest, leave a mark in this world, and make a legacy. Because remember, at the end of the day, all the things that you do to yourself dies with you. But the things that you do to the others remains, and it is eternal. So, ladies and gentlemen, spend your time wisely. Thank you so much.
Emphasizing the value of time and of course, leaving a mark in this world. Thank you so
Tama naman
much.
talaga yun.
Candidate number 10.
Because is our best in casual attire.
To be awarded, the sash will be awarded by Concehala Jenny Aguirre and cash prize by our Kapitana Annie Pascual.
Who is your best in casual attire? Ayaw na sumagot.
Ayaw na. Gising pa ba kayo? Hello?
Sino ang inyong best in casual?
Sino ang yung best in casual attire? Ayan, candidate number 6, candidate number 5. Sino pa?
Sino ba? Alright. Our best in casual attire goes to candidate number 5.
Candidate number 5 will be receiving a
The
sash.
second is best in national costume. Sash will be best in summer attire. The sash will be to be awarded by Consuela Ate
Luso.
And first, the sash will be awarded by our Kapitana Annie
Pascual.
Swimsuit attire. Sorry. Okay. Our best in swimsuit attire goes to candidate number 10.
Congratulations, candidate number 10. And the sash is awarded by Concehala Luso and the cash prize by our viewers, Kapitana Annie Pascual.
Okay, let's natin ang ating best and national
National costume.
The sash will be awarded by Consuela
Marcelo Pagwood.
Marcelo Pacud.
Our best in national costume is none other than our best in national costume is none other than candidate number 5.
Number 1.
being awarded by our Council of Arts to the
Kapitana Arnie Galvez. Picture po tayo. Okay, our next award is Best in Talent to be awarded by Kapitana Annie Baswan. Okay, our Best in Talent. Sino ang Best in Talent?
Sino ang pinakatalentado sa lahat ng mga magagandang babae dito?
Our Best in Talent goes to candidate number 6.
Birthday ang pagkahulog. Ang pagkasaya.
Nakita kasi si Juju.
Ayan, congratulations, contestant number 6. Awarded by our committee for this event, Consal Ompong Balnava, and that will be the Best in Long Gown Award.
Number of course cards by Kapitana Annie Baswan. Okay, our Best in Langgam goes to Sino?
Our Best in Long Gown is none other than contestant number 10.
Number 10. Ayan, congratulations and thank you so much for because ang moment back.
There is no escape when I shake it in your
슈퍼주니어는 원래 맨자만 빠진 이름하여 흰색놀이 슈퍼맨
Candidate number 4, una nakapasok sa top 5.
Pasok ka na rin, candidate number 6.
Number 6.
Candidate number 6.
Woo!
And of course, claim your spot because you belong to the top 5. Candidate number 10.
Yun!
Ang Diyosa na
Pasok ka na rin, candidate number 5.
Yung matangkad po ba yun? Yung matangkad po? Ay, isa ba? Ay, maganda rin. Isa pa yata.
Number Candidate number 9.
Oy! Yung matangkad.
First, once again, people of the
Wow!
presenting the top 5
5.
candidates.
Our number 19.
And of course, congratulations din sa ating mga Back to Zero po sila. Talagang labanan ng patalasan ng isa.
Opo.
So 40%, tama,
Oh,
40% ang beauty.
40% ang
And 60% ang intelligence.
Ito na yung
Kaya talagang-
40% ang beauty, 60% ang
lamang na yung
intelligence.
Yes, laban na.
Yun po ang binigay sa atin. Okay, so this is... Kasi para-paras naman na sila magaganda, right?
Yes, diba?
Okay. Bubunot ulit ng judge, ha? So, ano pakiramdam mo kapatid mo si number 1?
Totoo ba?
Ano yung masasabi mo sa ate mo? Ano ba siya?
Walang niya sa
Bino ko.
Okay,
Ay,
so
ang
ayan.
sister na, di ba?
Pick a judge.
Judge number 3.
Kapag kinakabahan din kasi, hindi mo
Ayun,
makontrol yung sasabihin.
ka na eh.
Iba na yung masasabi.
Judge number 3, your question.
Ang question ko for you is, bilang miyembro ka ng LGBTQ+, if you were given a chance to lead the crowd tonight, how will you use your voice to raise HIV awareness?
Ay, oo. Maganda yung tanong.
The question goes.
Parang kay
If
Pia
you were
Words.
given a chance to lead the crowd tonight, how will you use your voice to raise HIV awareness?
Okay, thank you for one beautiful question. Ladies and gentlemen, kung ako man daw po ang mananalo ngayong gabi, ano daw po ang aking mabibigay na sa isang LGBT. Bilang isang LGBT, danas ko po ang lahat dito sa ating ano. Wait lang po kayo sa mga
As a member of the LGBTQI plus community, how will you use, if you're in the crowd tonight, paano mo gagamitin yung platform mo to raise awareness sa HIV awareness?
Okay, direct to the point. Kung ako man po mananalo po ngayong gabi, gagamitin ko po ang pagiging, malala ko maging role model sa lahat ng LGBT na huwag gawin ang dapat hindi po gawin. Gawin lang po palagi ang tama at magmahalan po kayo.
Okay, thank you so much for the message of love. Ayan.
Yes, next natin, si candidate number 5.
Judge number 1 po.
Protection.
As a member of LGBTQIA+ community, it is evident that in the Philippines, gender stereotyping are persisting or existing. Here's my question. Do you believe that the country is capable of allowing members of LGBTQIA+ community to run for a presidential position? What are your thoughts about this?
Thank you so much for the question. The question is quite difficult, knowing the fact that we're here in the final stage of the competition for you to test the intellectual capacity of the candidates. If I were to say, I guess we are ready. Being an LGBTQIA+ community member doesn't define your capacity if you are capable of running the country itself. Hindi batayan kung ano ang iyong nasa pagitan ng dalawang hita mo, kung paano mo matatakbuhin ang bansang Pilipinas. Pagkus lamang, ito ay nasa iyong kakayahan. Always remember, ladies and gentlemen, a leader should be altruistic, meaning to say, he must give the devotion for the general welfare of everybody. And I must say that I am altruistic enough to prove to every one of you that I am capable of being the president of the Philippines. Because why not? If the committee allow us to be the president, wala na tayong magagawa doon. Bagkus lamang, ibigay natin ang kamarapatan para sa lahat na tayo ay makatakbo sa kahit anumang posisyon sa mundo ito. Dahil lagi natin makakatandaan, kahit ano ka man, as long as you have the eagerness to help other people, then definitely you can help the world.
Thank you so much. Very eloquent and with siya ng kanyang answer. Thank you so much. Ayan. So, ang take number 5 po.
Pag-ibig ni Kylie number 6. Simple question na dito. Ito. Ito. Sang-ayon ka ba ibigay sa taong nag-aalok buhay ang puso ng mahal mo sa buhay ng isang komatos at bakit?
Heart transplant.
Okay, again. Sang-ayon ka bang ibigay sa taong nag-aalok buhay ang puso ng mahal mo sa buhay ng isang komatos at bakit?
Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Para sa akin, hindi po ako sang-ayon na ibigay ang buhay ng aking mahal sa isang taong naghihingalong buhay na komatos. Bakit mga kaibigan? Dahil siguro ang taong yon ay time na niya. Kukunin na siya ni God. Pupunta na siya sa langit at bubuhay siya na mapayapa. Doon niya mararanasan ang buhay na walang hanggan, buhay na walang sakit, at paghihirap. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
A very truthful answer from candidate number 6. Thank you so much. So
Next naman si candidate number 9.
And si candidate number 9. Very tall and beautiful. So go pick a judge.
Sabi niya kasi sa akin kanina, kakabuhin ito yung answer ni candidate number 5.
Ayan. So, ayan. Judge number 7 po.
Judge number 7.
Ang gabi, every question is, paano mo maipapaliwanag ang kulay ng rosas sa isang bulag?
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, paano ko daw po ba ipapaliwanag sa isang bulag ang kulay ng rosas? Ladies and gentlemen, hahawakan ko po ang kanyang kamay, ilalagay ko po sa aking puso, na kung saan ito ay nagsisimbolo ng pagmamahal sa ating lahat, na kung saan mararanasan niya at mararamdaman niya ang ganda ng ating pagmamahal sa bawat isang Pilipino. Ladies and gentlemen, sa aking mga kurado at panel judge, naniniwala po ako na hindi batayan kung ano ang iyong kapansanan. Bagkus kung ikaw ay nagmamahal, mararamdaman mo kung ano ang kulay ng isang rosas. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Ayan. Maraming salamat po for the very wonderful answer. Go pick a judge. Here's your microphone. Judge number 4. The chairman of the board of judges po.
Candidate number 1. Here's your question. If you could have dinner with any historical figure, who would it be and why? I repeat. If you could have dinner with any historical figure, who would it be and why?
Thank you so much for that wonderful question. I would like to take this opportunity first to greet everyone, even though that it's too late now, you guys still here to support us. The question is, if I would be given a chance to have a dinner with a historical person, who would that be and why? Definitely, that would be the President of the United Nations. Why, ladies and gentlemen? The President of the United Nations has the ability to gather all the nations to have a peace in this world. Ladies and gentlemen, the President of the United Nations have the power to speak up for the rights of the needy and poor. It has been said that we, human beings, is just like a diamond. Though we are all cut the same, but we are all created valuable, uniquely precious, and equally worthy of love, care, and respect. The President itself can send this message to all the nations, to our community. Ladies and gentlemen, if it's not now, then when? We need to be united. I would like to send this message to the President of the United Nations to help us, not only our community, which is the trans community, but all the community in this world. We are all important in this world. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Very well said.
Ayun, napakatalinhaga, napakalalalim ng mga words of wisdom.
Thank you.
Ano to?
shining in the middle of the night, illuminating the radiance of the neon green by Pasipag.
Next up is candidate number 9.
Number 9. In her final look. Dito pa rin sa ginaganap na beauty pageant dito sa Barangay Campino, Cabanatuan City. Sino kaya ang mananalo sa kanila? She's one of the tallest candidates. Si number 9. Ganda na ilong. Sobrang tangos, parang Dayanara Torres. Parang Latina, di ba?
Thanks so much,
Parang
candidate
Latina
number
beauty.
9. And of course, last but never be the least.
Last but not least is candidate number 10. Thank you so much, candidate number 10. And may we call on all our top 5 candidates back on stage. Candidate number 4. Candidate number
We would like to call on stage our dear Kapitana and of course our very known Konsehala.
The award is certificate of appreciation to Mr. Jomar de Guzman Sawi for his invaluable contribution as a member of jury in the search for Queens of Campino Battle of the Queens 2024 held on the 11th day of June, year 2024 at Barangay Campino Gymnasium.
Our next judge, and thank you so much. We would like to extend our deepest gratitude to Mr. Justin Torres.
Thank you so much, Sir Jomar Torres. Thank you so much.
Next judge, we have Mr. Skylane Balian.
Next sentence is Mr. Carvin Hayes Pamilda. And of course, last judge is Mr. Rachel Jimenez Manaban. Ayan, photo ko po sa aking kahari.
Yes, ang photo opportunity po with the panel of jury and
Talapakan naman natin ang ating board of jury.
Ayan, our board of jury. To be awarded by Consejera Jenny Javier together with our board of judge.
Kapitan ng Annie
Together with
Pascual.
Kapitan na ating Pascual.
Miss Gay Campino International goes to Candidate number
5! Ano ba? Tama ba?
Candidate number 4.
Oh, may F naman siya. Sorry. Candidate number 4. Nagigil lang. Nakakalimutan yung numbers. Ayan, to be awarded by Mr. Bahari against Sir Glenmore Thomas.
Congratulations. Next is our Miss Gay Campino Grand International.
To be awarded by Consel Marcelo Bacun and Judge number 2 and Sir Judge number 3.
Yes.
The
Our
winner
Miss
is-
Gay Campino Grand International goes to candidate number 6.
Expected na nila.
May girl na naman siya. Congratulations. Next sentence.
Next up, we have the Miss Gay Campino World title to be awarded by Judge number 6 and 7 together with our committee head for this program, Honorable Ompong Bahardaga.
And of course, our cash
Cash
is from our Kapitan Annie Pascual. Okay, our Miss Gay Campino World goes to
Goes to none other than candidate number 9.
Congratulations.
Ayan.
Okay.
So we would like to invite our two lovely ladies to step here.
Yes.
Ayan.
Our Miss Gay Campino Universe is the first runner.
Yes, it's the first runner.
At ang natatawag natin ang ating Miss Gay Campino Universe. Ang hindi natin matatawag ating title Marcel, ang ating Miss Gay Battle of the World 2024.
So, ayan.
Okay.
The Miss Gay
Being awarded by Conselala Ate Miss Go.
and together with the chairman of the board of judges.
Judges and Secretary Adam as well. Our Miss Gay Camping Universe. Go still. Sino?
Sinong premyo?
Alright. People are Campino. Your Miss Gay Campino Universe. Go still.
Candidate number 10. Yes, candidate number 5. Miss Gay. Miss Rika. Sit down.
Incoming crowd.
Congratulations, sir. Miss World. Miss Universe. Miss Universe.
Okay,
Once again.
Miss Gay Campino Queen of Miss Gay Queen of Campino Battle of the Queens 2024 is candidate number 5.
Hi. Chelsea Manalo. Once again, ayan, thank you so much to all our kabarangays and of course to our the families and friends and of course to our dear Barangay Campino, to the Sangguniang Barangay, to the board of judges. Maraming salamat for joining us in this celebration of color, pride, and of course confidence and the beauty of our candidates.
See you all the winner for our Miss Gay Campino 2024. And to all the winner of the Miss Gay Campino,
Congratulations.
Sa atin ng Barangay Campino, maraming salamat po.